So we are at Cedar Point today. Hurricane Helene has hit Florida. As you can see, we got sand blowing all over. Helene made landfall last night, and the weather here is absolutely crazy. Got sand blowing all over. See the trees. The coaster been down most of the day. I want to go show you the lake in a second here. They've been trying to run stuff as they go. They've been running Millennium a part of the day. Saw Gemini trying to test. Pipe screen's been going up and down. I haven't seen anything in the front of the park running besides the flats. But let's go look at the lake here. It's kind of crazy. Like, the wind is absolutely insane here. I don't think I've ever been here this windy. I remember opening weekend for Gatekeeper back in the day. Was a very cold and windy day. Super windy, but nothing to this level. Like, look at these waves out here. Like, you're gonna be like, what is going on here? Oh my goodness, look at the glasses over here. Being sandblasted right now. But look at these waves coming in. Sand all over the place. We stayed at Breakers last night. Pretty rough waves. I'm sure it's been like this in the past. The waves at least. But the wave is something real right now. Kings Island already called today because of the wind and the rain. There's rain forecasted later tonight, but there's been no call made. I saw some screamsters already here, looking like they're getting ready. You can just see the sand blowing on the beach here. Like, Windseeker, it's found it right now. It's definitely found the wind. There's no seeking anymore. But the waves are just rolling in here. And it's just crazy. I don't think I've ever been here when it's been this windy, to be completely honest with you. I've seen waves like this before when there's big thunderstorms, but this has been all day. Since we woke up this morning, there's been waves crashing in. White flags been out all day on the beach. Like, I can't even tell you right now. I feel like I'm on the Weather Channel prepping for hurricane coverage. That's how windy it is. Like, look at that flag right there. And it's been all day. This has been non-stop on the beach. Well, I shouldn't say that. I would say that maybe right around noon there was a short lull in the craziness. See the water extended far beyond me. But normally this thing is super clear. There's been no call on tonight. If they're calling the evening, like say Kings Island has already been canceled. At this point, I think you would already know, but just craziness. This has been like this all day long with these waves and this wind. So just thought you guys should see that. Pretty cool stuff. Something you don't usually see here. Oh, dragster's still down too, if you didn't know. Okay, right on, Ride Warriors.